We're a gas and welding supply distributor that was founded in 1945. We're a 100% employee-owned ESOP company, and we service a very unique market in the Minnesota region. It's a heavy biotech, bioengineering business. So one thing that makes us very unique from a lot of distributors in our industry is our ability to custom blend gases and our specialty gas capabilities. We have gas capabilities that very few companies in our industry have in regards to our ability to upgrade our gases to research grade gases, which is a parts per billion and a parts per trillion. Specialty gases are any type of a custom blend that requires any kind of analytical certificates as proof to our customer base that these gases are what we say they are. That's how we got our start initially in specialty gases and servicing these bioengineering companies, and that is one thing that makes us very unique, along with now being able to vertically integrate our gas supply and having a gas plant that can produce gases for us, which is going to lead to a better experience with toll company for our customer base.